this is just an introduction before we blow your mind.
Nothing but new growing, and they retwisted it. It's a little short one.
There we go.
Have you had a recent dye?
Yeah.
Dye,
Yeah, try to do it black, but instead of turning black, it turns gray.
And I was
That's
explaining
because
to
they
him.
detox it.
Nah, but I was explaining to him that his hair was bleached first, so it was blonde, and he tried to deposit black directly onto blonde.
Nope.
And what should he do? What should he have done first? What's the first step? When you go from blonde to black? All right, you gotta go red.
That's what I was
thinking. Thought about it.
You gotta deposit some sort of red tones, so the black has something to hold
stick
on
on to.
Dressing.
Pull it out.
That's pretty much what's on here. It's gonna be an interesting blend, you know. See?
Might be a little orangey.
Now his ends are kind of small.
I see that.
So that's gonna be
stressful, to say the least.
But at least they aren't. They're not super small and super hard.
Or interlocked.
So let's see here. We're gonna see.
Crying. I don't know how locks get this small.
Mine are probably some of mine about that size.
Well, you've interlocked, I guess, so we do know how it happens.
There's one of these like this. What I'm actually got something not. This one right here.
Got a knot in it. Oh, dang, you got a fat ass knot in it.
Do you know why?
Yeah.
Why?
Somebody said tie a knot in it.
Yeah.
Yep. You know people say that, man. Be on the...
I don't think one man should have a say-so, just one. The
Right.
whole United States of America.
Oh shit, sorry.
Thought you was spitting up, baby.
I thought.
Grown ass man.
How many do you think it is?
34.
Nope.
How many?
How many do you think it is?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
It's the wild guess.
26.
Nope. Alright y'all, so let me know how many you think he has. Drop it right now in the comments below, a number between 1 to 25, and then go check your answer by heading over to my Instagram page. That's at Cynsational Locs, actually across all social platforms, but you'll find the answer on Instagram. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not. The Cynsational Nation is growing so strong.